Oh, man. Fatal four-way. Who's going to win this?
Drew is not going to be happy after that.
Damian Priest's first feud with the championship. Ooh, Ricochet!
Jumps over McIntyre.
Oh, damn.
Ricochet.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be Jay or... Ooh. It's going to be Jay or Ricochet, probably.
Drop kick by Ricochet.
There's Bronson Reed.
Sending Ricochet into a buckle bomb into McIntyre.
I did see that little glitch during Bronson's promo there.
The world title and a kick out.
I feel like Uncle Howdy's probably going to feud with Bronson. And I really do hope they bring back Braun Strowman with them as well. I feel like that'd be so good.
Reed gonna go up top. Looking for the
Tsunami.
And Drew McIntyre trying to prevent that from happening.
Well, there goes Drew.
From big Bronson Reed. Just went eye to eye with that man.
Oh, man. Somebody's going through the commentary table.
What's going to happen to their table?
I think that is what every single time in the history of the WWE says.
Oh, Glasgow kiss. Reed into the ring post. Right to the
Oh, man. What the hell is about to happen to Bronson?
Meanwhile, Jey Uso drives McIntyre out.
I feel like Ricochet or Jay is going to do something crazy.
Fatal four-way action.
#1 contender spot on the line.
Oh, man. Here comes Jay. Ooh, Ricochet. Is Ricochet about to do something to Bronson on that table? Oh, shit. Yep, something crazy is about to happen.
We're all thinking the same thing.
There is no way. Ricochet.
Oh! 450!
Ricochet.
That was awesome.
Might be the highlight of the week.
Damn. I'm so happy Triple H is taking the handcuffs off of this dude. Holy shit. And he hit his... Oh, man. That looked like that hurt on Ricochet's side. Damn. He hurt his ribs on that one. Just let Ricochet just do something crazy every week, please. This is awesome.
It comes down to these two men with their long history, their long rivalry.
There's two things that could happen. Jimmy could cost Jay, or CM Punk could cost McIntyre.
McIntyre looking for the clay.
But I hope that they just keep Jimmy and Jay separate, because that match at Mania sucked.
Uso's done.
Oh, wait. CM Punk! Oh, man. CM Punk's going to cost McIntyre. Super kick! Oh, man. He got him with the spear. Yep. Jey Uso's winning. Jey Uso is winning. That's a wrap. And CM Punk gets another moment. Alright, so we're going to get a Jey Uso versus Damian Priest match at Backlash. I like it. CM Punk is just having a blast. I love it. What a perfect ending to Raw. Damn.
I am just so
wow. Guys, if you enjoyed the reaction, smash that like button now. If you're not, we are Wrestling Maniac. You already subscribe, turn on the post notifications. To all the maniacs out there worldwide, we are taking over. Peace.